Okay guys, so on the spark plug removal, after you remove the air intake boxes and you remove these plastic ones, I'm doing because I'm doing the air filters anyway. You don't have to, but it makes it easier for you. Remove all that and you have access to the engine bay. I believe this is a Torx T30 I'm using on a drill to make the process faster. One bolt there, one bolt there. The coil pack comes out, and then your spark plug is going to be inside there. So in order to get the spark plug socket out, what you're going to want to do is you're going to get a 14 millimeter spark plug socket. And this one particular model, they didn't have 14 millimeter at the store, so I had to buy this 9/16 spark plug socket. One extension, two extension, and then this one. And then I had to drill out the middle part because it wasn't long enough to fit. It would only go up to about here, so I had to drill it out, and then I was able to get a grip on it. And then you just take a regular socket wrench there, and then this little magnet tool to pick up the spark plug itself. So you can see just go right in there, pick it up, and then lay it out right there. What you're also going to want to do is take some dielectric grease and just very, very lightly on the edge, on the end of that spark plug, put a little bit of that dielectric grease on there so that there's a good electrical contact between the coil inside and the actual spark plug itself. Everything else here is basically self-explanatory, guys. Same deal. 2 Torx bolts, remove the coil, and put the new spark plug in, put everything back. So it's actually extremely simple to do on this particular vehicle. The other note I wanted to make, I'm using these Iridium TT spark plugs. It's part number 4712. There's the other part of it. The originals that came in this vehicle are the NKG R. And the other thing I want to tell you guys is when you tighten these back up, don't over torque them, because you can easily strip the threads. So just hand tighten them. You don't have to, crank them down. These aren't lug nuts. So just hand tighten them, a quarter turn towards the end, and you're good.